All right, hey there, BodyFix PT and performance fans. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today what we are going to do and teach you is how to work on upper spine rotation, okay? So maybe you turn like this and it gets a little tight through the chest or in the upper back. And we want to just do a little mobilization to open that area up, get it moving again. So what you're going to want to have is some sort of a peanut. I have 2 lacrosse balls taped together. You can tape softballs together. You can tape tennis balls together. Racket balls are a little bit too soft. Golf balls are a little bit too small. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to put this behind your back, approximately the bottom of the shoulder blades. All right, the space that's in between the balls is going to line up with your spine. Okay, now I'm going to go against the wall. All right, so that's there. I'm leaning against the wall. My butt is against the wall. All right, now I want to work on rotation to the right. So I'm going to raise my right arm, turn my head. Okay, now the fun part of this is getting the rhythm down, because your head is turning 80 to 90 degrees. Your arm is going about 170 to 180 degrees. All right, so it's going twice as far, at least, as your head. Okay, you want to try and get this thumb to touch the wall. Okay, you're going to do about 15 to 20 of these. All right, get yourself nice and loose, and then you can go a little lower. You lower down, the balls will go up your spine. I'm going to do a few more. All right, and that'll help you get a little bit of rotation. Now, we're not doing some giant rotational movements. This is just to get the last little bit or the first little bit. Give it a try. If you feel like turning your head even, right? Checking out your blind spot. If you want to go left, it's left arm turning the head to the left. If you want to go right, it's right arm turning the head to the right. Thank you for watching. Give this a try. Let us know how it goes. We'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.